watching Nama channel.
Hi students, good morning. Last class we discussed the exercise 14.1, question number 1 to 5. So now we have to see question number 6 to 11. So followingly we have to see the question number 6. So now we see question number 6. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes out? The first one is orange flavored candy, a lemon flavored candy. So you see the first one, orange flavored candy. So in your question they have to clear the given. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only in the sense a bag contains only lemon flavored candy. So here they are asking orange flavored candy. So this is the impossible event. So Malini, when she take it out any of the candy from the bag, it always be a lemon flavored candy. It's not be a orange flavored candy. The first one is impossible event, and second one is the possible event because it is a lemon flavored candy. So one by one we have to move to the solution. So first one in a solution, the first question they are asking an orange flavored candy. An orange flavored. So already we know that a bag contains only lemon flavored candy. A bag contains only lemon flavored candy. There is no orange flavored candy, which implies it is an impossible event. Therefore, probability of orange flavored candy which is equal to 0. So a bag contains only lemon flavored candy. There is no orange flavored candy. So because of that, it is an impossible event. So because of that, the probability of orange flavored candy which is equal to 0, because we didn't get any orange flavored candy inside of the bag. Yeah, because a bag contains only lemon flavored candy. The second question, a lemon flavored candy. Lemon flavored candy. So we know that a bag contains only lemon flavored candy. Lemon flavored candy, which implies that it is possible event. Therefore, probability of lemon flavored candy which is equal to 1. Next we move on to question number 7. So question number 7, it is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday? So here they have to given the probability the 2 students not having same birthday. The probability is 0.992, and we have to find out that probability that 2 students have the same birthday. So in a solution, given that what is the given that the probability of two students not having the same birthday. Which is equal to 0.992, which implies that is probability of E bar, which is equal to 0.992. So now we have to find out the probability that the students have the same birthday. So probability of that two students have same birthday, which is equal to, that is P of E. Already we know that P of E plus P of E bar, which is equal to 1. So already we have P of E bar, so we have P of E bar, we need a P of E. So P of E, which is equal to 1 minus P of E bar, which is equal to 1 minus 0.992. So just you subtract normally 0.992. So here it becomes 0, it becomes 10, it becomes 10, it becomes 9, it's normally 1. So this one is 8, 0, 0 and then 0. The answer is 0.008 P of E, which is equal to 0.008. So therefore we write probability of that two students have same birthday is 0.008. Next we move on to question number 8. Now we see question number 8. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red? And second one, it not red. The first question, it may be red, and second question, it not red. So now we move on to the solution. This solution, first we need how many sample space? So here 3 red ball, 5 black ball. So S, which is equal to 3 red balls, 5 black balls. So N of S, which is equal to totally 8. N of S equal to totally 8. The first question is, that should be red. So red in the sense, I take the event. Let R be the event, that is red ball. So here N of red ball, which is equal to totally 3. So then now we move on to the probability, the P of R, which is equal to, what we have to do, the probability of red ball, which is equal to number of red ball divided by total number of ball, which is equal to 3 divided by 8. So 3 by 8 is the probability. Therefore probability of that ball is red, which is equal to 3 by 8. Next we move on to second question, not red. So here let R bar be the event that is not a red ball. So that is not a red ball. So here already we know that the probability of red ball. So here we need a probability of not red ball, that is P of R bar. We know that 1 minus P of R, which implies that 1 minus 3 by 8. So 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 3, 5. So the probability of R bar, which is equal to 5 by 8. Therefore, probability of the ball is not a red, which is equal to 5 by 8. So question number 9, by using this method, question number 8, you have to solve the 9th question as your homework. Now we see question number 10. A piggy bank contains 150 paise coins, 50 1 rupee coins, 20 2 rupee coins and 10 5 rupee coins. It is equally likely that one of the coin will fall out when the bank is turned upside down. What is the probability that the coin will be 50 paise coin, will not be a rupees 5 coin? So each and every coin has a denomination. So 50 paise coin totally 100. 50 paise coin, and then 1 rupee coin 50. So totally 100 plus 50, 150, and then 2 rupees coin is 20. So totally 150 and then 170 coins are there, and then 10 5 rupees coin. So 10. So now you add 100 plus 50, 150 plus 20, 170 plus 10, 180. So different type of coins, totally 180 coins are there with the denomination 150 paise, 51 rupee, 22 rupee, and then 10 5 rupee coins. The first we have to find out the probability. It will be a 50 paise coin. Out of 180 coins, it may be 50 paise coin. How many? 50 paise coin. What is the probability of 50 paise coin? And we have to find out the second one, will not be a 5 rupees coin. So one by one we have to see the solution. Move on to the solution. Before the solution, I write it. Total number of coins, that is 150 paise coin, 51 rupee coin, 22 rupee coin, and then 10 5 rupee coin, totally 180 coin. I will take it as total number of coin, that is n of s, which is equal to 180. First I have to move on to the first question. Will be a 50 paise coin. So will be a 50 paise. Here I take, let A denotes event be a 50 paise coin. Let A denotes event be a 50 paise coin. So here n of A. So total number of 50 paise coin 100. So now we move on to the probability. What is the probability? P of A, which is equal to n of A divided by n of S, which is equal to 100 divided by 180. 10 by 18. So 5 2s are 10, 9 2s are 18. Therefore, P of A, which is equal to 5 by 9, which implies the probability that the coin will be 50 paise coin is 5 by 9. Now move on to second question. Will not be a 5 rupees coin. So second question, will not be a 5 rupees coin. So before that we have to find out what is the probability that be a 5 rupee coin. So I will take, let B denotes the event B rupees 5 coin. Rupees 5 coin. So n of B, which is equal to totally 10. So the probability of B, which is equal to 10 divided by 180, which is equal to 1 by 18. This is probability of that will be a 5 rupee coin. Therefore, probability of that will be a rupees 5 coin. So we have to find probability of B bar, that is, that will not be a coin. So which implies that P of B bar, which is equal to 1 minus P of B, which is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 18.
Properly
So
note
18
home.
into 1.
Thank you.
So 18 minus 1 divided by 18, which is equal to 17 by 18. Therefore, the probability that the coin will not be a 5 rupees coin is 17 by 18. Therefore, probability of that the coin will not be a rupees 5 coins is 17 by 18. Next we move on to question number 11. Okay, now I gave one homework sum. Question number 11 is a homework. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? So total number of fish is 5 plus 8 equal to 13. Out of 13 you have to find out the probability that fish taken out is a male fish. So question number 11, you do it as a homework. Now
Thank you for watching AHA நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. வீடியோ அடிக்கடி பார்க்கறதுக்காக இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு மறக்காம பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் ஐகானை